Here's how to give someone access to a Google Drive link. Open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Find the file or folder you want to share, then click the three-dot menu next to it. Select Share, then click Share again if prompted. Before sending access, make sure the general access setting is set to anyone with the link if you want anyone with the link to open it. Next, choose the permission level you want to give. Select Viewer if you only want the person to view the file, or choose Editor if you want them to make changes. After setting the permissions, enter the email address of the person you want to share the file or folder with. Double check that the correct permission is selected, then click Send. If you don't want to share it by email, you can instead click Copy Link and send the link directly through a message, email, or any other app. Anyone with the appropriate permissions will then be able to access the file using that link. That's all for this video. Thanks.